Living World MCQs Part 2. Alsatian is a breed of dog, cat, cow, horse. I know everyone knows the answer. That is dog. Which of the following term include all other terms? Classification, nomenclature, taxonomy, systematics. Correct answer, systematics. Linnaeus evolved a system of nomenclature called trinomial, vernacular, binomial, polynomial. Correct answer is binomial. Binomial nomenclature seems to be difficult because the scientific name is derived from Hindi, Sanskrit, Latin, Arabic. Latin. A group of plants or animals with similar traits of any rank is species, order, genus, taxon. Correct answer is taxon. Basic unit of taxonomic hierarchy is species, kingdom, class, phylum. Correct answer is species. Botanical name of mango is, I know everyone knows the answer, that is Mangifera indica, obviously. Botanical name of potato is Mangifera indica, Solanum tuberosum, Solanum melogena, Panthera leo. Correct answer is Solanum tuberosum. Zoological name of lion is Mangifera indica, Solanum tuberosum, Solanum melogena, Panthera leo. Correct answer is Panthera leo. The branch connected with characterization, nomenclature, identification and classification is ecology, taxonomy, morphology, eugenics. Correct answer is taxonomy. The third name in trinomial nomenclature is species, subgenus, subspecies, holotype. Correct answer subspecies. As we go from higher species to kingdom, the number of common characteristics goes on increasing, decreasing, remains same, none of this. Decreasing. The binomial nomenclature was given by Lamarck, Ernst Mayr, Carolus Linnaeus, Darwin. Correct answer is Carolus Linnaeus. The term taxon is used for the rank of species and genus, the rank up to phylum, the species epithet only, any rank of taxonomic hierarchy. Correct answer is any rank of taxonomic hierarchy. The taxonomic aid that provides information for the identification of names of species found in an area is monograph, manual, catalog, periodical. Correct answer is manual. The Indian Botanical Garden is located in Howrah, Lucknow, Mumbai, Mysore. Correct answer is Howrah. The famous botanical garden Kew is located in England, Lucknow, America, Australia. Correct answer is England. Identify the correct sequence of taxonomic categories. Species, order, kingdom, phylum. Species, family, genus, class. Genus, species, order, phylum. Species, genus, order, phylum. Correct sequences: species, genus, order, phylum. The descending arrangement of categories is called classification, taxonomy, hierarchy, key. Correct answer is variety, subspecies, species, genus. Correct answer is genus. Which one of the following is not a category? Species, class, phylum, Convolvulaceae. Correct answer is Convolvulaceae. Sorry, it's hard to pronounce this. In the hierarchy of classification, the order is present between family and genus, phylum and kingdom, family and class, family and species. Correct answer is family and class. The place where we store dry plants for information purpose is called key, museum, monograph, herbarium. Correct answer is herbarium. Tell me in the comments, what is a key? Which is not a part of taxonomic hierarchy? Genus and species, order and class, kingdom and class, catalog and herbarium. Correct answer is catalog and herbarium. Zoological name of cat, can you please tell me in the comments? Subscribe and follow us on Instagram. Search for MCQ Biology on Instagram. Thank you. Good luck.